Hello students, we continue with the same topic or the same chapter, data structure. Up till now we learned linear data structures, array and a linked list. In today's video we will see or we will study the non-linear data structure. Now basically non-linear data structure is what? Where there is no compulsion to store your data in some sequential manner. Correct? So the example of non-linear data structure is tree, or I can say the graph. So here we will study the concept of tree. Now, what is exactly a tree? Tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure. Now, hierarchical means what? Once I derive any node from its previous node, from its parent, so that concept called as the hierarchical. So, tree is a non-linear hierarchical data structure which consists of finite set of one or more number of nodes. Here every element of my tree are always called as nodes, same as linked list. Correct? So every element of the tree called as nodes. Now in this tree number of nodes are there, but there is one special design node called as root. That means the source of my tree, origin of my tree, that are called as root. And the remaining nodes are always partitioned into some finite disjoint sets. So here number of nodes are present in this tree. So all that nodes, all that elements are indicated as T1, T2, T3, etc. All are the subtrees of a tree. So here A is the root of this tree and B, D, F, G, H, all other nodes are always called as subtrees of a tree. Clear? So for this figure, total number of nodes are what? 11. Correct? So here 11 nodes are there and each item of my data being a single letter. Okay. Now we will see the certain concepts related to tree. First is what? The root. Now, what is root? A node which has no parent. A root which has no parent. That means the starting of my tree diagram, origin of my tree. Okay, a node which has no parent, that node called as root node. Next, leaf, or I can say the terminal node. Now, the node which has no child or children. In simply, I can say जो लास्ट वाले नोड है, द नोड विच आर नॉट फर्दर टू बी डिवाइडेड. ओके, जिसका फर्दर एक्सटेंशन नहीं है, जो भी लास्ट नोड है, दैट ऑल नोड्स कॉल्ड एज द लीफ और टर्मिनल नोड. Here you can say D, I, J, K, then H, F. These all are what? Leaf or terminal node. Next one is the child. Child is what? The node which are reachable from some node. The node which are reachable from some node. जैसे it can be जैसे through a single edge. When I join the two nodes. So the node which is present at the bottom of the edge, that node called as the child of its upward node. For example, D is the child of B, K is the child of G. Okay. Next one we have the sibling. Now siblings are what? Children of same parent. That means relation of brother brother or sister sister, brother sister. That is nothing but the sibling. So children of same parent called as sibling. Here I and J are the sibling, G and H are the sibling, B and C are also a sibling. So sibling are the children of same parent. Okay. So here we see four concepts: root, leaf, child and sibling. Okay. Then the next concepts are level of tree. Level of tree. Now for the level number of root are, for this diagram it's A is the root. So the level number of root R of tree is always 0, and every other node is assigned to level number which is 1 more than the level number of its parent. Now in simply, always we have to keep in mind root having level 0. Always root having level 0, and next to its every level, it's always increment by 1. For example, for this diagram A का level है 0, for the root level is 0, it's compulsory. Now next to its level consists of its two children. So for the B and the C, both are in the same level. Now its level is plus 1 of its parent. Now for the D and C, agar diagram is still up till only B and C, so level of the tree is 1. Consider for its next children, correct? For the D, E, F, or you can say the children of G and H. For that level of the tree is 2, and it is always increment by 1 to its further level. Next definition for the depth or the height. Now depth and height are always maximum level of any node. For example, if I say if root is level 0, then depth or height of tree is equal to 1 plus largest level numbers. That is, whatever is the level of your tree, depth is nothing but plus 1 of the level. So for this diagram, if I say level of the tree is 3, so but obvious depth of this tree is 4, because we never calculated depth or height as 0. If I say height 0 है, मतलब वो particular चीज़ present ही नहीं है. So always we will calculate height or the depth from the number 1 only. Okay. Then the next definition is for the degree. Now degree of a node is nothing but number of subtrees of a node, or the maximum degree of a node. Correct है? The degree of a tree, whatever is the degree of a tree, is the maximum degree of the node in a tree. Number of children of any node, that is called as the degree of a node. Here the word degree with related to two things. One, you can say degree of a node, that means number of children of any node, and degree of a tree means maximum degree of any node. Okay. So for this diagram, degree of a node, if I want to calculate degree of any node, that means for A, degree is 2, for B, degree is 3, for C, degree is 2, for K, degree is 0. That are what? Degree of a node. And degree of a tree is 3, because degree of a child or degree of a node B is 3. Which one is the maximum degree of a node from this tree? That's why that degree is carry for the whole tree. So degree of the tree is what? It's a maximum degree of the node in tree. Clear? Now we will see all these concepts in one single diagram. So now look here, A is the root, then I can say B, C, D, E, all are the children, or I can say the subtrees of a tree. Now H and I are the children of a parent node D, or J is the child of E. Okay. Next H and I are the sibling, or I can say F and G are also sibling. Then level, root A having level 0, then to its next level it's 1, next level it's plus 1, like that only. Then degree of a node H is 0, degree of a node E is 1, and here in this diagram maximum degree of any node is 2. That's why degree of this whole tree is also a 2. Clear? That all are the concepts related to tree. Now we will see one more concept, that is what? My binary tree. Now tree and binary tree, there is only one difference, rest of the concepts are same. So if I say binary, bi stands for 2. So I can simply say in a tree, the concept of tree, there is no restriction for the number of children. So for any node, number of children are uncountable, not exactly uncountable, that means you can say कितने भी number of children हो सकते हैं. But here in the binary tree, there is a restriction for a number of children for any particular node. Okay. So first we will see the definition. So binary tree is what? It is a non-linear hierarchical data structure where it is a set of elements, correct? Here also number of elements are present, and that all elements called as nodes. Here it may be empty. This binary tree may be empty, or it is partitioned into 3 disjoint subset. The very first one is a single distinguished element called as root. That node called as root. Okay, which one is the origin of my binary tree? And the other two are left and the right subtrees. So nodes which are present at the left hand side of my root, that all nodes called as the left subtree, and the nodes which are present at the right side of my node, that all nodes are called as right subtrees. Now this tree, left and the right subtrees, may be empty, but there is one compulsory rule you have to follow while dealing with the binary tree, is there is no node with degree greater than 2. Clear? That means number of children of any node, its maximum to be a 2. It may be a 0 or 1, but number of children of binary tree is maximum. Maximum number of children of any node for my binary tree is 2. So I can conclude that the degree of a binary tree is always a maximum to be a 2 only. Binary tree का degree for this whole degree, for whole binary tree का degree, it's never to be a greater than 2. Okay. Now there are certain terminology related to binary tree also. The first one is what? The left successor. So left successor is what? Immediate left node from root called as left successor. Any node which is present immediately left from the root. So from the given diagram, B is the left successor. Next one is the right successor. Immediate right node from a root called as right successor. So here C is the right successor of A. Next one is the left subtree. So all left nodes from root called as left subtree, and all nodes from the right of my root called as right subtrees. जैसे C, G, H, K all are the right subtrees. Last one we have the terminal node. So the node with the no child or children, the nodes which are not further to be divided, the node with no successor called as terminal node. So here I, J, then I can say F, K, H all are the terminal node. Okay. So now we will see in one picture tree and the binary tree. So here left hand side of diagram is for the tree and right hand side for the binary tree. Which one is the major difference? In binary tree for any node maximum number of children are 2. But in the tree there is no restriction for number of children. That's why D, E, F, see here, D, E, F, there are the 3 children of a node B. But in binary tree, if I see, so I and J are the children of D, G and H are the children of C. So maximum number of children are 2. It may be a 0 or 1, but maximum to be a 2. Okay. So in this video, we learn about the concept of tree and binary tree. Thank you.